one for the black? Another time. Oh, I like this, Maddie. Oh, that's your egg. You want to put in a bag?
Where's my egg? Where's my big one?
The big one? I don't know.
Oh,
You got
I
it?
know where it is.
The big egg? Here, I got it.
When I was 4 years old, I could climb in there. Is it teeth?
Nothing?
Whoa.
Where's the toy? Stuffy toys in there, right? It's flying.
Who wants to get their, who wants to buy their own toys? Don't go in here. You're supposed to be a customer, not a shopper. Who wants to get their eggs and their finals order? Ooh. Who wants what?
I want the stuffy toy.
Okay.
This one, right here, not that one. I want this one, the dinosaur too. It's not beeping?
Don't.
It's not beeping?
Oh, this don't belongs here. Don't belongs. You want this?
I think those belong to here is beeping, right? It's not beeping? Oh, yeah, it's beeping. See that? The pineapple is beeping.
You have.
Thank you.
What you need next?
Tomato.
Tomato.
You got the cantaloupe, yeah.
We have hot pepper if you want some.
Yeah, I need a pepper. Cantaloupe. I need a cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe?
Yeah, and mango. The barcode. You have to hit the barcode. Down. Okay, see that? Ta-da! Cantaloupe.
And what you need next?
This is not gonna be. I don't have a barcode for that. I need the milk.
Milk?
Yeah, milk and sugar.
We don't have milk. Sugar.
Yeah, you have it there, right there. I want it. I want a milk. Pasta. You have a
Sugar.
pasta too. Yeah.
I found milk. It's right
That's a sugar. Yeah, the milk right there.
And I found it.
Yeah, you got the soda. See? The hot dog. Fries. What is it?
Oh, this is
The
$0.
barcode. $0. $0. Here.
Zero. Silly. It is. It
Is
is.
that working? The hot dog?
This is 0 too.
Yeah. What about the fries? I need a fry too. It's a barcode. Yeah, that one? No, you have to do it for me. I'll show you how. It's not? What about this side? And a pasta. There's a pasta. Oh. Is that working? Okay, so what I got? I need a tomato.
We got one.
Not the fish. Where is that wild fish? I don't want that wild fish. Put it away. I'm gonna buy toys too.
Wait.
Where's that? Where's the egg? Right here.
Oh man.
I want to buy that one too. What is that?
Got your own fool. Bye bye. That'll be $20.
$20.
20 bucks.
Yeah, I have my credit card. I have my credit card here.
Just for real, for real.
For
Give me the
real,
real
I'll give you
one.
something. Hold on,
Give me your
some-
money.
I
Give
don't
me
have
the
a
money.
cash. I don't have a cash.
Money, money, money.
Here. Just use something.
Your real credit card.
Is that working? The
Your
credit
real
card
one.
is working.
If you don't,
What happened
you
to
will
the?
never come here again.
Really?
Just do it.
I don't have enough money.
You need. Give me quarters.
I don't have.
Give
So
me
I guess I'm gonna
dollars.
just take the
For
food.
real, for real.
I'm gonna just take. Bye.
No, until you pay me.
No, I will take the food. Aye.
Take it. You're never gonna come back again.
I never come back. Yeah. You never see me again. Bye.
You need these.
Yeah, I can't carry two. Okay, that's fine. Here, give me the milk. Give me just the milk.
Here, throw. Here, throw.
Where is that? Okay, I go home. Bye.
Wait, that's your home.
That's my home. Yeah. So I got all that stuff for free. I got the tomato. I got the hot dog.
Today I'm visiting.
I got the cantaloupe
Today I visit.
and a mango
Today I visit you.
and a cantaloupe. You
Today
visit me?
Today I visit you. That's what the
Okay.
judge said. Stop laughing. I don't like laughing.
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink something. I'm gonna drink the milk. Let me open that one.
The real thirsty. Where's apple juice?
Apple juice.
Ah, there's one.
It's stuck. My hand is stuck. I can't take it out my hand. What's wrong?